Make your truck safer by upgrading its visibility with the Type S 48-inch tailgate LED kit. Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to take a look at our Type S 48-inch tailgate LED kit. Featuring 92 high-intensity LEDs, this light strip delivers bright red running and brake lights, and it can also do amber left and right turn signals for enhanced road awareness. Built to last, the IP65 water-resistant design withstands harsh conditions, while premium 3M VHB adhesive ensures secure, long-lasting fit. Installation is quick and easy with a simple plug-and-play 4-way flat trailer connection. No complicated wiring required. Boost your safety and style on the road with the Type S 48-inch tailgate LED kit.